All right, guys, so you're gonna grab a partner. This is called plank hockey. We tried it a little while ago, but now the Stanley Cup finals are in full swing, so it's very appropriate. Everyone needs a partner, and you have a foam tennis ball.
Maybe grab a mat if you want to show this properly.
Yeah, so I think a mat is a good idea. Especially if you're going to be on your knees at any point. So you're going to face off with your partner. Now you don't have to be so close. That's way too close. So
Way too close.
maybe,
No, too far away. It's okay. Now, yeah, you got it.
yeah, okay. So maybe about 6 to 8 feet away. And the partner with the ball is going to start the game by batting the puck, we'll call it a puck, and their teammate can bat it back. Now you can be very nice and play nice like Marta and Shana are, or you can be mean and try to get the puck past your partner as if you were trying to score in hockey, yeah. And then a fight might break out, which would be unfortunate. So you can be as gentle or as aggressive as you want to be. Again, if you want to be on your knees, I definitely recommend a mat. If you're going to be on your toes the whole time, then you probably don't need a mat. Okay, so go ahead, set up with your partners, and it's only going to be 1.5 minutes, so it's a relatively short game. But it's gonna feel long enough. We're gonna be working core, shoulders, coordination, reaction time, all that good stuff. Okay? All right. Does everyone have a partner and a ball? Yeah? I think so.
You
All
need to
right.
go retrieve a ball. Be careful.
Yeah, I can also help out. Song's called Abracadaver, which is stupid. So, all right, ready? Go! Good. That's it. Again, it can be a gentle toss, or you can move your partner around. You can make him go laterally. You can also move forward if you want to, or you could back up. Or you could pretend you're on a breakaway on the ice. Awesome, guys. That's okay, I got that one. Boom. So you can make your partner reach a little bit if you want to challenge them. Ooh, nice, Vincent. That was like a slap shot there. Good. That's it. Only about 20 more minutes. Just kidding. You're almost there.
Every couple of seconds, you can
Almost there. And you're there. Nice job, you guys. Beautiful. All right, that was plank hockey. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.